Cinnamon English. Set 2, present progressive. I am cooking with my mum. I am cooking with my mum. I am cutting the paper. I'm cutting the paper. I'm climbing up the rope. I'm climbing up the rope. I'm dancing with my friends. I'm dancing with my friends. I'm drinking milk. I'm drinking milk. I'm eating watermelon. I'm eating watermelon. I'm kicking the ball. I'm kicking the ball. I'm jumping up and down. I'm jumping up and down. I'm looking at the clouds. I'm looking at the clouds. I'm laughing and playing. I'm laughing and playing. I'm riding my bike. I'm riding my bike. I'm reading a book. I'm reading a book. I'm sitting on the chair. I'm sitting on the chair. I'm singing a song. I'm singing a song. I'm swimming in the pool. I'm swimming in the pool. I'm sleeping in my bed. I'm sleeping in my bed. I'm going to school. I'm going to school. I'm walking in the park. I'm walking in the park. I'm writing a story. I'm writing a story. I'm drawing a picture. I'm drawing a picture.